All right, so for this demonstration, what we're going to be looking at is just a simple pendulum. With the pendulum itself, when we release it, it'll swing back and forth and give us this nice, steady, periodic motion. But for today, what we're looking at with the pendulum is we want to think about what forces are acting on the pendulum as it swings back and forth, and how that's going to tie into what we've been learning about net forces and momentum. So at the beginning, before I release it, if you can think of the forces, we know that right off the bat there will be a force of gravity pulling on our pendulum bob. The gravity force will always pull directly downwards, and it's going to pull straight down at every point on the arc that the pendulum follows. Gravity will always pull down, and it's always going to be the force of gravity pulling on that brass bob. However, the force that will be changing is the tension. The tension in the string, which is the force of the string pulling on that bob, is going to change directions at every single point along the arc. It can only pull along the string, so no matter where the pendulum bob is, that force is going to point up here in the direction that the string is moving. So for us, that direction here is up and to your right. At the very middle, it would just be directly up. Over here, it'll be up and to the left, always changing as it swings back and forth. When you add those vectors together, the gravity vector pulling down and the tension vector pulling up and one side or the other, depending on where it is, you're going to result with a net force that points in some way towards the middle because of the tension vector, but not fully towards the middle, as the gravity will also be pulling it down. We experience this net force, and it changes the momentum of our pendulum bob. Whichever direction the net force is pointing, that's the direction that the momentum of the pendulum will change, and it's constantly changing net force as it swings back and forth, but it will always give us this resulting motion where it routinely swings left to right.